have done quite a bit of research on this, and I would say that at a very high level, in the very simple terms, the main pitfall is that this technology is not magic, maybe squared, right? So it's not a magic at all, right? We wrote a background note called Ideating and Evaluating Opportunities for Analytics and AI, where we present some facts as well as talk about some remedies. So what are the facts? The facts is about 60 to 85% of analytical projects fail. And of course, the points like organizational alignment or insufficient buy-in, they're important points, but they all occur in a way too late. They occur at the end of the project development. In our experience, the bigger problems occur at the beginning, that is, at how people are thinking and ideating these projects. Now, this has nothing to do with GenAI per se, and I will come back to those reasons in a moment. But with GenAI, I would expect that this number actually to go down. That is, the success rate to go somewhat up. Why would I expect that? Well, I would expect that GenAI projects would be somewhat bimodal. That is, there will be some kind of projects with relatively low failure rates. Now, for example, a text summarization is a nice example where I would expect that most of the projects that involve that type of GenAI use would be successful. Now, an example in a customer contact center, let's say customer starts chatting with a bot and then would like to talk to a human. Using GenAI tool to summarize the conversation with the bot so far is a great way of using GenAI. Would give maybe a minute, save a minute on every call, which is a direct cost saving to the organization, but more importantly, it's a minute given back to millions of customers. So I would expect these projects to have a relatively high success rate. But then we have all other kind of use cases, which in a way are not that different from other forms of AI. And that's where I believe we would see the same kind of problems. And in particular, those problems are in a difficulty connecting the business problem to the, let me call it, data problem that an AI tool will solve, right? We need to think about the translations in two dimensions. First, translating a business problem into a data problem, then solving this data problem, let's say using one of these tools, and then translating the solution back. All the hype around AI tools created as near magical expectations that somehow the second step, that is solving the model, will take care of the first two. In our experience, that's very much not the case, and that is why we prepared that background note. At the end of the note, there is a one-page worksheet that can help managers think through an AI use case with that very goal of increasing the chances of success.